Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your device or router must support Private DNS or DNS over TLS. Once confirmed, pick a trusted DNS provider and note its hostname. Make sure to back up any current DNS or network settings so you can revert if needed. Now access your network or system settings and locate the Private DNS option. This is where you will enter the provider hostname. Move deliberately. This first step prevents accidental lockout and seeds the information you'll need for the next. Once done entering the hostname, save or apply the configuration and restart the network interface or device to enforce the change. Then run a DNS query from your device. Use nslookup or dig on a computer or built-in network test on mobile to confirm responses come from the new resolver. Make sure to check both IP4 and IP6 lookups if you use both. If your router supports it, update its DHCP-handed DNS or firewall rules so every client benefits automatically. To finalize, verify encryption is active. Many providers show a confirmation page, or you can inspect TLS connections. Once validated, monitor for blocked sites or latency. Tweak provider or client settings if performance suffers. If something goes wrong, revert immediately to your backup settings to restore access, then reapply changes step by step to isolate the fault. A key troubleshooting tip: correct hostname typos and flush the DNS cache before assuming a provider issue. That resolves most misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.